You know that guilt is not an issue. The defendant has admitted to the offense. So I'm asking you to give your full attention to all of the proceedings tonight, so when the case is over, you can go back and render a fair and just sentence.
Teen Court started out as a pretrial diversion program, and it's expanded into a lot more than that. It has now expanded into a program in which we use for pretrial diversion, but it's also a teaching tool for all types of high school students who participate in the program. It's utilized to teach people public speaking. It's utilized to teach people about the law, about justice programs, about how the court system works. And more importantly, it's used to deal with teens who commit offenses. They are sanctioned by their own peers, and that seems to have a great deal more effect on them.
Do you realize that you can't just try out items at a store and put them back?
No.
Okay.
Teen Court has a multifaceted, beneficial audience. It benefits the children who have been charged with delinquent acts by being sanctioned by their peers. They understand more than anybody else that when their peers say something is wrong, it's wrong, and the recidivism rate is greatly reduced. It helps the people who participate, the children who participate in Teen Court, both to learn about the legal system and the justice system. It helps them in developing their skills of public speaking and writing and interviewing and all types of aspects of it. It helps the citizens at large because it deals with children who are first-time offenders and hopefully keeps them as first-time offenders, and because of the reduction in the recidivism rate.
What did you do once you were in the store?
We went around and we shopped, and then I went to the hair aisle, and I opened, polished, and painted one of my nails.
Teen Court's a pretrial diversion program, and in doing that, cases are diverted out of the courts. We see, as sitting circuit judges, cases that come to us where the child has completed the Teen Court sanctions. That's not a case that we have to deal with. Not only are the courts freed up, but the Department of Juvenile Justice is freed up, the court's secretarial time, the court's administrative time, the court's supervision time, and all of the probation and other aspects are also freed up also. Many of the people who come before, the children who come before Teen Court, have quite frankly found it to be very useful. Part of their sanction is also, in addition to some penalties that may be imposed, they have to sit as a juror on other cases. So they learn not only what the problem was with what they did, but they see other people, other students, other children, and what they did and what difficulties that's caused in their lives and in their families' lives.
And this is your opportunity to realize that you made a big mistake. Sometimes we think, we see something and we don't think, and we all do that. But the consequences can be very grave.